Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS THANOS 10 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on Advanced and tap on About Tablet. Here we have to find a special number which is called build number, and all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now we can go back to the system settings, and as you can see, the developer options will appear in this list right above the system update. So let's enter. And here we've got, as you can see, we've got a lot of options from which we can choose, but they are inactive because for some reason the developer options are not turned on automatically after activating them using the build number. So simply tap on the switcher here. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because as it is said, here we've got the developer options, so they are so advanced, and you may actually harm your device or your device will misbehave, as it is said right here. So if you're ready, just tap on OK, and as you can see, all of the options will be active. So for example, here you can, I don't know, maybe change the window animation scale, you can show service updates. Here you've got some options connected to the input, so you can show visual feedback for taps. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, so overall to the networking, and so on and so on. So basically, in order to turn on the feature, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it. So let me pick, for example, pointer location, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So if you've got the options without the switcher, like for example, maybe here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the very top, and as you can see, again, the options are inactive. Let's get back, and as you can see, after getting back to the system settings, the developer options will disappear from this list, but of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your ODYS THANOS 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.